But I would say this is a kind of a coincidence. Initially, I wanted to work in the aircraft industry, and I ended in the auto industry. But anyway, this is a kind of dream of the young boys, is to do some mechanical activities. So after a couple of years at Boston Consulting Group, I decided to work for the auto components first, and then to Renault in 2000. Yeah. In fact, Lana, I even have got 3 workplaces, one in Togliatti, one in Moscow, and one in Paris. And some of my people say that I'm good at multitasking, so I do my best to do it. I have 4 assistants, 3 working places, 2 personal computers, 3 telephones, so I have to manage all this. But in such a general management position, you have to be focused both on the short term to deliver short-term results, both commercial results, financial results, and look at the long term to see where the company is going, heading to. And really, you have to share your time between the 2 visions, the short and the long term. First of all, when you compare, for example, France, Germany, Japan, business practices are already different, even in Western world. So when moving to Russia, you have to understand both the past, which is still linked to the pre-perestroika period, and the current status with very agile and global-minded people. So it's to make a combination between the past and the present, and also the future, and sometimes be more coach in terms of behavior with the people, so to explain them how to do, while at the same time be also quite directive in some cases. Yeah? So I would say that Russian employees, they like clear instructions that they can follow and implement. So, and never show that you doubt or you don't know really where you go. You must be an inspiring leader. Yeah? But of course, it's a combination of the 2 approaches. Any human being can develop himself or herself with books or any kind of personal training, but we also as a company must provide some training, and especially for the newcomers in terms of induction. So this is what we do, for example, with new top leaders. We organized training in France or in other countries from Renault, so that they really know the company and what we are doing. Our main strength of Avtovaz today is the huge production capacity, which could serve about 50% of the Russian market if we used it totally. So what is really key now is to bring the volumes up so as to benefit from the capacity and with huge leverage on the fixed cost. So Avtovaz is really interesting in terms of capacities, potential profit making, but also we are interested in developing the R&D, research and development capabilities in the company. So, first of all, I must say that the quality and skills of Russian engineers is quite good compared to other countries where I have been, like Romania, for example. So we must really build on the skills of our people to make the Lada brand more successful on the market, and to let every customer understand that buying a Lada car is not a bad choice. Of course, it's a Russian brand, but it's a good Russian brand engineered with, let's say, Western techniques. This is kind of the same success as Aeroflot, for example. Aeroflot today is recognized as a very good airline company, so we want Lada to be the Aeroflot of cars. Before speaking about SkillsNet, I must say that we are also using other social medias. And even myself, I recruited some people through social medias already. So this is clearly one of the ways to find people and for people to find a job to use social media. And I think it will grow even more in the future. Yes, Avtovaz and Lada are actively involved in social medias. This I can confirm. I would first say that Avtovaz is a great place to work. It is keeping the good things from the previous times, but in parallel now Avtovaz is adopting all the modern techniques and ways to develop cars and to make cars. So if you join Avtovaz, you are joining a very modern company, which is part of a much broader group, meaning Renault company based in Paris, and even Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi, which is the first automotive group worldwide today. So if you join Avtovaz, for example, in engineering, you will learn how to develop cars, but you will also have opportunities to grow your career in other regions of the world for Renault or even Nissan. So please join.